Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to tonight's Get Ready With Me. So tonight we're getting ready for bed. So I actually have quite a bit to do tonight. I need to wash my hair. It's just feeling really dry and it's super knotty. I have a shoot tomorrow, so I need my hair to look a little bit more glossy and the curls more defined. I need to get all this makeup off, so I thought I'd also throw in my nightly routine because, you know, I need to get ready for bed. So let's get started. I'm going to put my hair back, and the first thing I'm going to do is start with my double cleanse. So stay tuned. Okay, hair is pinned up. The first thing I'm going to do, earrings are out, and usually I would do all of this in the shower, but we can't bother with a shower setup on the camera right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is the first step in my double cleanse. I'm going to go in with my Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. So for a double cleanse, really and truly all it is you're doing 2 steps to your cleaning. The first step, you're just washing your face twice. But to make it really effective, you're going to do like a cleansing balm or like a cleansing oil. And what that does, it just breaks down all of your sunblock, breaks down all of the makeup, breaks down all of the oils and everything like that from the day. All of your setting sprays, your foundation, your eye makeup, it just breaks it down and helps you to get a better clean or cleanse the eye makeup. And then what I would do now is that after just rub and blind myself, I'm just going to emulsify this. So I add some water and rub again. Alright, so now that I've loosened up all the makeup, I'm just going to go in with some water and rinse this off. I'll be back. So sometimes what I'll do is, especially if I'm not cleansing in the shower, I have like these little sponges. They're just cheapies. I bought them in like a pack of 100. And when you add water, they expand. So I'll just kind of use this to, you know, wipe the cleansing balm off my face while I'm washing. Now, as you can see, I still have some residual eye makeup on. So I'm just going to go in with this Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. Just simply because sometimes if I have on, okay, so my lashes are coming off. So usually I would not do mascara or this step if I'm wearing individual or fusion lashes or whatever they're called. So I'm just taking off any extra eye makeup. I guess if I really rubbed with the cleansing balm, but I honestly don't have any patience. There we go. I always have tons of makeup in my hairline. Alright, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my face. See, that was stuck. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my silicone face brush and this, I don't know how to pronounce this. Just going to use some of this, must be French. And I'm going to dampen my face and I'm going with this like a little massage. It's vibrating. You know, if it vibrates, it's good. So I'm just going to go wet this a little, wet this and then make this sort up and wash my face. So usually on a Tuesday, I wear very, very heavy makeup because I'm filming. So I will use some like kind of face scrub just because I feel like the makeup that I put on so much and I use that little buffer thing, I feel like it goes down into my pores. So I like to use an exfoliating scrub, like a physical exfoliating scrub. And the one that I really, really love is the Zoe Skin Health by Papaya. I'm gonna take a spoon and I'm just gonna give this a massage, especially into the creases at the side of my nose. Not too long, because you can feel like the little granules in there. So I don't want to like over exfoliate because I use chemical exfoliants as well. And then tomorrow now I want my makeup to go on nice and smooth. So I don't want to like dead skin hanging off because I was in the sun recently. Alright, so that's a little massage. I'm going to rinse this off. Okay, so I'm trying to maximize my time because, yeah, as I said, I don't usually wash my hair this late. But I really need to. My hair is just very trashy right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on this face mask and try to see if I can wash my hair without wetting up my face. And then at the end of my shower, I will wash my face off and get this mask off. So this is the Fenty, let me see, Cookies&Clean. So this is a detox mask. So it has little charcoal, I believe it's charcoal granules in there. So when they pop, as you're rubbing and they pop, the mask gets to be a darker color. And I've actually put on a little bit too much of this because it's really, a little goes a long way. You kind of see when can you see the color changing? It went from like white to this gray color. So I'm just gonna get the mask all over my face. While I'm doing this, I'm thinking of the conditioner I want to use tonight. I'm really gonna need a very hydrating conditioner because my hair feels really soft, friends. So I washed my hair 5 days ago. And I've been wearing it out. I've been sleeping on it and I sleep with my hair out. So it's super, super, I don't want to use the word trashy. I don't think it's trashy, but it needs some TLC. Alright, this is a mask. I'm going to head in the shower. I'm going to wash my hair. And yeah, when I come out, I'll show you the shampoo and conditioner that I used. More than likely going to go in first with a dandruff shampoo, then regular shampoo, then a conditioner, soap, then body wash. And I'll see when I get out. One little tip. You see all of my skincare, like my masks and stuff like that, I keep them in a cosmetic fridge. So when I put it on my skin, it just feels so nice and soothing because it's nice and cold. So yeah, I'm going to give you a fridge tour of my cosmetic fridge right now. Okay, it's a fridge tour. This is my cosmetic fridge. Yes, that's me. Alright, so let's take a look at some of the products and I'll show you some of my favorites and what I'm going to be using tonight. Okay, so sometimes if I get caught up on shopping, online, and I buy products and then I don't get to use them, I just kind of store them in here. So I just bought this. I was hearing that French products are amazing, so I got that. I haven't used it yet. I just have a little bottle of water in here that just in case I wake up in the night. And this is for the eczema on my face. I bought this and I haven't really used it much. And then this one I used to love, but I forget that it's back here. So after I give myself a facial, if I have a lot of trauma to my skin, I'll use this tea tree serum. These are some of my favorite masks. So this one is by Dr. Sandra Lee. And it just depends. That's a salicylic acid mask. Fenty mask. This one is really good. I love this one. This is a Cookies&Clean. I think this is a detox mask. And then back here is an overnight mask. This one is for moisture. Then over here I have my vitamin C's. So in the morning after I wash my face, I always put on a vitamin C. Right now I'm loving this one. It's almost finished. But then I have this one, reversed. I like this one as well. I actually really like this one, but I'm waiting for the others to finish before I start. And then I found this one locally, and I've used it a couple times, but I'm kind of waiting for the others to finish. And then over here I have my prescription medications, my Triluma for my melasma, and my Retin A for my uneven pigmentation. And then I have some little under eye patches. I think it's stupidness. Anyway, so that's what's in my fridge, my cosmetic fridge. Oh wait, in this little drawer down here, I have some self-tanner. So I do have a self-tanning machine, and I keep any leftover self-tanner in here. And then I have my tools if I want to give myself a facial. I have a stainless steel roller. It stays cooler, and stainless steel doesn't harbor as much bacteria as other stones and gems. And this is a gua sha stone. So yeah, and that's it for my fridge tour. Alright, before we move on any further to hair or whatever, I just want to go through some of the products that I used in the shower. I try to keep my hair as wet as possible because I find that my products work better in sopping wet hair, so just excuse that. Okay, so I had on my face mask, as you saw, and I did pretty well. Like, I just tried to keep my head back. So the first thing I do is wet my hair, and then I oil my scalp. So I went in with this shampoo here. It's a refreshing scalp tea tree mint shampoo. It has a good sud to it. So I just kind of use that, make sure it gets nice and suddy, rinse that out. Then I go in with this Selenina Ultra. This is by prescription. I had really flaky scalp, like eczema all over my scalp. So I go in with this, leave it in for 3 minutes, and then when I'm washing it out, I just use my scalp massager and just go in and really, I feel so good. Then I'll rinse out again with another dollop of this tea tree shampoo, rinse that out, and then I'll go in with the partner, the conditioner. I like this brand. What is this brand? OGX. They smell so good, and for little fat bottles, a lot comes in here. What is this? 13 ounces. And the conditioner, it has a lot of slip to it. So I use my white tooth comb and I comb out as much as possible. There was a huge hot knot right here, but we'll soon deal with that. I then use my bar of soap with my silicone body brush. Then I rinse off, and then I use my silicone body brush again with my body wash and bathe off. It's a process. So I'm gonna put all these things back, and I'm gonna get my hair products, and I'm gonna show you. Actually, do I do my hair now? I think I'm gonna lotion. I'm gonna lotion. Do I wanna do my hair? I'm gonna do my hair. So I'm gonna pack these things away, and I'm gonna get my hair products and show you how I style my hair from the night before or the night of a wash. All right, I'll be right back. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm rushing, but you know, it's the week and I have stuff to do. So I have the kids' lunch pans to set, my coffee to set. I want to upload this video, and I just want to be able to have at least an hour of like me time. Anyway, so my sister just told me about Detangler. Like, I've heard of Detangler, but I always thought Detangler was for kids. Anyway, this Detangler is amazing and it works very quickly. This is the mane and tail Detangler. Now, I'm very familiar with this brand because when I was a little girl, I used to use the mane and tail conditioner, and it was like, it worked in my hair. All right, let me, okay, you see, I don't even have to section out my hair. I just always thought Detangler was for like little kids. I didn't know it was for big people. Don't laugh. Anyway, look at that. And now I have, oh, so nice, written up the floor. Alright, so just detangling my hair. Yes, I'm rough, I know, you know, we've established this already. Don't bother in the comments, just don't bother. Some people are rough, some people are not. I am rough. And I mean, while I was in the shower, I think that conditioner is pretty good, but let me tell you, I had a big knot in my head. Alright, squeezing out some of the water. Okay, and that's that. Guys, get yourself some of this. I got this at Discount Beauty. It's also available. Well, yeah, everyone knows. Everything is available on Amazon. Moving right along. I'm going to separate my hair into two. And I'm just going to wrap up the top portion with a clip. So I go in next with an oil. So right now, this is the first time I'm using this. I'm going in with that same brand from the shampoo and conditioner, the OGX. This is the Argan and Morocco oil. So I'm going to use enough of this. I like a thick oil. I feel like the thick oil holds my curls together, moisturizes them, makes them nice and shiny. Also, before I would go in with leave-in, I find it would help me to detangle as well and just make everything feel nice and smooth. So I go in with an oil, and I just squeeze out some of this water again. I'm literally standing in a puddle. And I just kind of feel it. I think I need a little bit more oil. Now, the more oil that I use is the less puffy my hair will be when it's styled, but the longer the style will last. So tomorrow my hair won't look as puffy as it usually does, but in 3 days, it will look really, really nice and puffy. So I like to put oil just to kind of help my style to last a while. Oh, sorry. Now I'm going in with TIGI Catwalk Curls Rock, and I'm just working this into my curls. I need about maybe 4 pumps for down here. And again, you just want to rake it through your hair and feel that all the curls are, or like try and feel like your hair is coated. Once you finish applying, I go in with my Denman brush, and this now makes sure that each strand is coated with the product. And scrunch. My hair is soaking, dripping wet, and this helps with the distribution of the product. because if your hair is dry, I don't know what happens if your hair is dry. Just make sure your hair is wet. I have my Denman brush here, and so I'm going to do all of this all over my head. So let me show you one more time. Just going to section out part here, and I'm just gonna use my Denman brush. This is just making sure the hair is there's a way to twist it and whatever. I can't bother. This way for me works the best, and I just scrunch, 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 scrunch. There we go. Alright, I'm going to do that with these same products all over my head. I'll be right back. Okay, I've done my entire hair. It has product, and it's all detangled and yeah, ready to go. So right now at the end of this, I'm just trying to finish this oil. This is not like a secret step. I'm just trying to finish this because God knows why I bought this. This is the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil. So I just take a couple squirts and I'm just going to crimp around my hairline. Sometimes I neglect these little hairs right here. So I'm just gonna do those and then kind of just make sure everything is nice and scrunched. My hair feels so soft. And I think that's actually the detangler. Nobody ever told me about detangler before. Good Lord. So now that I've done that, the next step I'm gonna do, I'm finished with my hair for now. So I think I'm gonna clip this back. So I'm just gonna clip these sides back. This is the same clip I had in earlier. Clip. Alright, next I'm going to put some toner on my face. Usually I would have gone there a little bit earlier with the toner, but seeing as how my hair was all over the place. So I don't want my skin to strip tonight because I'm going to be wearing makeup for a shoot tomorrow. So instead of going in with glycolic acid, I'm going to go in with this Elemis Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow. And I'm just going to... Don't ask me why I use some of these products. Sometimes I swear, if you put a banner across my Instagram with an ad, I'll buy it. Anyway, it had a whole heap of stars on Instagram. Alright, so waiting for my toner to dry. Makeup on my ears. Okay. As I'm waiting for my toner to dry, I'm going to figure out what products I'm using on my face and wash my hands before I rub them on. I'll be back. We don't have that. Oh, actually, whoa, not that kind of show. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go in with a body oil. So sometimes I'll switch it up. I'll use a cream, I'll use a moisturizing, I'll use a body lotion, or I'll use an oil, or I'll use a cream. You know, different ones give you different levels of moisturization, and sometimes I just switch it up because I'm bored. Right now, I'm using this RAYA Seaweed body oil. This is so amazing. It's really expensive though, but it's really nice. So this is perfect for creating a healthy looking glow with pure squalene, vitamin E, avocado, apricot, carrot, and seaweed oils. Helps to hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. Now, when you have a product that says hydrate and not moisturize, you know that this is the real deal. Because to moisture is like, yeah, that's good. But when you hydrate something, that's like from the inside out. So I'm going to get the products on my face, and I'm going to use my body oil, and I'll be back. This is very sexy nighty. It's actually a dress that I bought on Amazon, but the material came and it's not as described. The material is super thin and I would not feel comfortable wearing this out on the road. So I decided that I'm just going to wear this as a nightgown. It's very suck-on-y and nipple. Yeah, so I don't know, I feel like if I was to wear a strapless bra with it, there would just be so many lines and stuff. So I'm wearing this to bed. Because I don't look this sexy going to bed. Anyway, here's what I'm going to do with my face tonight. I just want it to be super moisturizing. I don't want to do any stripping. I like how I did a mask and the scrub earlier. I don't really want to put too much on my face. So I got this the other day. It's a hydrating milky mist with hyaluronic acid. And this is by Pixie. I got this in Target. And then I'm going to go in with my peptide cream from Drunk Elephant. And I love a good hyaluronic acid. I feel like when you're using a good hyaluronic acid, this one here, this is some bootleg thing you get on Amazon, but it's really, really good. So when you're using a good cream or a good serum, and then you use a hyaluronic acid, it helps everything that's in that cream to really penetrate and go into the skin. So you get like good use also. And Drunk Elephant is not cheap, so all of those good ingredients kind of really get to go and seep in. Super moisturizing. I'm now going in with the Inkey List Retinol Eye Cream. I'm just gonna go in under the eyes. I don't usually use an eye cream, but this one is super inexpensive. I think it was like $8. And I was like, okay, I can have a dedicated eye cream. Usually I would just put whatever I'm using on my face, just rub up to my eyes. Final touch, no, not done yet. This is my little lash serum that I got at Future Aesthetics, and it really, really works. And now that all my lashes are falling out, I need to go back in with this stuff, and I just go at the base of the lash line. I don't need a lot at all. And like, yeah, as I said, my lashes are falling out, so I kind of want that when they all drop out, I don't look crazy. When you have no lashes, you just look so plain. Alright, that's that. Then for the lips, although I just put something on, I'm gonna put some more stuff on. Egyptian Magic. I'm not sure if I want to put a patch on this yet. I think I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, that's it. Okay. I'm gonna let this air dry for as long I'm gonna let my hair air dry for as long as possible. And then right before bed, I'm gonna put on a silk bonnet. So I'll just go like this with my hair and then put on my silk bonnet so that it can keep my curls nice and tight and it doesn't they don't frizz out on my pillowcase or when I'm sleeping and I move around. Is that it? I think that's it. This is finally it. I finally put on enough lotions and potions for you. Alright guys, so that's it. I just wanted to show you this is not a typical bedtime routine. This is my wash hair, do a lick face mask or something special, get ready with me for bedtime. And that's it. I'm ready for bed. I'm going to go and have my me time and just relax and watch a little TV and maybe this sexy dress. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and links to some of the products are in the description box right below. Make sure while you're down there to drop a like and make sure you're subscribed. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Hey, you still there? Okay, because I'm really and truly not done. So I'm going to use one more thing. Just because I really like this stuff. You know what? I'm going to use it. So this is by The Ordinary. This is a Retinol 2% in squalene. So I really like to oil up myself. I love lotions and potions, and I just like that greasy look. And then I feel like when I finish off with an oil, that it seals in everything. Now I'm done. Where is it? Oh, there we go. I feel like you need an oil. Okay, now I'm done. Bye.